film this one, Travessa de Corda. It's going to go down to this used market down there, and there's a lot of stuff to film down this way. At the very base, there's also a cinema right here. I think it's called Alegria. You can see some of the Art Deco. So I'll probably try to focus on that too. So let's get started with this one. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. So you got a little street stall. Let's just kind of go into this Alegria cinema. So you got cinemas in here. Probably won't let me film in here, so I'm going to get out of here before they kick me out. So let's walk out of here, and then we're going to cross the street and try to capture it from the side. So we're going to capture it on this side. And now you can see the cinema right there. So that's the Cinema Alegria. Cinema Alegria right there. So that's actually pretty famous. It's been around a long time. So we're gonna head down this street, but I want to capture that from the distance. It's kind of a cool looking building too. Lots of cool buildings everywhere in Macau. And then now we got a little temple in this space. Check all that out. So it's our street right there. It's pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna keep walking down. So that's the street that we have been on. Alegria is right there. And then we're gonna just keep walking down. There's a little street stall right there. That's old Macau right there. The way it looked historically before all the reclaimed land. This temple has, they sell food out front. This kind of reminds me of Zhuhai. Can't wait to get back into Zhuhai again sometime. Okay, so now we're going to walk towards this little used goods market area. And we're all in the kind of the thick of it over here. And that's some of it right here, so you can buy all this used goods. We'll see more of it. So you can buy used TVs, washing machines, and I think they basically repair them. So yep. Yeah, some nice TVs everywhere here. Yeah. And there's some nice alleys, like in these little alleys over there too. Actually, I might even combine this little alley this way, so you could definitely walk all the way down. But I do want to check out all these used goods. When you get in these little corners, it gets pretty interesting. And actually this one is this little corridor, this little patio, I guess it's called. It's there's a lot of different street things in this little space. Actually it looks different now. Travessa though, careful. Yeah, actually before there was a lot more, so there's not as many at the moment. It's okay though. so interesting. You get to see all these little alleys and things like that. You check out these buildings too. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this way a little bit. So you have more used things. They're playing basketball over here. Let's just see. Basketball. Okay, so that was kind of our street here, and we'll just kind of go back to the main road a little bit. Yeah, I get buy lots of used things. Actually, I bought a used washing machine that lasted for 6-7 years. Let's go check out the road. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha, chiquinha.